Okay, hey Club Nation, I just want to talk about this, that the OKILLY, the Ned Flanders metal band, they were featured in The Simpsons, and here it is. They played them over the end credits, so they got a ton of exposure that way. I can't actually play the music or show the video a lot, because they'll copyright strike me, but a lot of my friends are in that band, so I'm really happy for them. But to make matters better, they were featured on Rolling Stones magazine, and as of right now, they're number 2 trending on the website, and that's featuring all the different pop stars are featured in this magazine. This is the premier one for that. So they're right up there with Taylor Swift, Jay-Z, Beyonce, whoever, the Rolling Stones, the band the Rolling Stones, the Beatles. And here's the actual article, and this just set off media firestorm, and every newspaper is reporting on them right now. So I just want to give them a big congrats for actually making it. Like a lot of people said, they were just a flash in the pan and they were a gimmick, but they're not just a gimmick. They're legit, and they've been going for about 4 years now, and the music's actually really great. That's it. Dab on the haters.